everyone, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain Comfort reviews. So without wasting time, let's get started. Friends, this is not a website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, that is, should I buy from it or not? So take a look at the homepage of this website, and this website is known for delivering women apparels in the United States, Canada, Australia. So here you can find the exclusive collection of women's clothing like women's cotton linen sleeve round tops or printed tops, solid color short sleeve v-neck dress, etc. Now let's take a look at the other info of this website. So let's take a look at the refund policy or return policy. So the company offers 30 days hassle-free refund, which is good. And here you can also read cancellation changes, shipping cost, or the refund policy. Now let's take a look at the shipping policy. So here you can see the express delivery is 5 to 10 days after order shipped, and the standard duration is 7 to 15 days after order shipped. And at the bottom of this web page, you can see the mode of payments are American Express, Dencart, Diners Club, Discover, JCB, Mestrio, MasterCard, PayPal, Visa. Now, before going further, please like this video, because right now I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit websites. So yes, this website uses a valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign, but guys, this information is not enough to judge a website's legitimacy. So let's talk about further information. This domain name was created only 4 months ago. So I can say this is a newly launched website, so we can't judge easily. But yes, we need to understand the scam factors and legitimate factors regarding this website. So guys, when it comes to the customer reviews, this website has terrible reviews on Google, and even people are not satisfied with the quality of the products and claim to be it a fake site, which is a bad sign and a high alert. So moreover, this company doesn't render the products they have stated on their About Us page. Let's take a look at the About Us page. You'll be cleared out. So you can see that here the information is regarding the offering of coolest gadgets, and the company is offering women's apparel. And apart from that, guys, the prices are too reasonable to be good true. So according to our research or study, we found a full page of bad reviews regarding this website, which is a high red alert. So let's talk about the contact us information to discuss more about the scam factors. So here I'm able to see the email address and official address of this website, but guys, I want to say that this contact info is not legit. And yes, the content is copied, the images are copied, which is a high red alert. So guys, in the conclusion, the website appears to be scam. And yes, I would love to hear your views on the feedback, so please comment below. Stay away from such type of scam websites, because you have a lot of options online. And that's it. So I have done with the unbiased review. So do commenting, because we read all your comments over every video. So please keep motivating and like this video. If you have not subscribed yet, then please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. I'll get back to you with another scam alert. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good day.